Dear customers, this video is about getting rid of Spinion.com pop-up windows that currently are attacking Google Chrome browser. The intention of these pop-ups is to force you into downloading and installing the unwanted extension for Google Chrome browser. Additionally, the pop-up also may display intrusive push notifications if the Allow button is clicked. So I'm gonna click on the Allow button on purpose in order to show you how to deactivate it later on. So first of all, this extension is advertised by its developers as a useful tool to surf the web in a more convenient way. Well, nothing special is actually about it, but unfortunately often this extension is installed without the user's permission. So when people download and install it, it actually hijacks the browser homepage, the default search engine, and the new tab URL. It changes the browser settings to feed.spinion.com, and additionally this hijacker may track your personal data. So be very careful not to tolerate it in your computer. My suggestion is that you additionally perform some manual steps to get rid of it. First of all, go to the browser menu, click on More Tools, select Extensions. Now look for this Spinion extension, deactivate it and remove it. Okay, once it has been done, you also need to deactivate the web push notifications. Click on Settings, select Site Settings and Notifications. In the Allow area you may find this Spinion website. Click here and choose Remove. Once this has been done, I also suggest that you perform additional scanning of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the application and start it from the Launchpad. Once the application is started, click on this Start Combo Scan button to begin the detailed investigation and research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, so far 28 threads were found in our computer. Now, if you click on Review Results, you'll be able to see the detailed description of each thread, and, by the way, their location will also be provided. So what you can do is go to the Applications area of your Mac and look for suspicious software and right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, you may go to the exact location of each thread and delete one thread at a time, and this will be manual removal of threads. Or you may remove all these threads automatically, however, with the premium license of the program.